Hello, my name is Gail Weaver and finally the last row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. So here's our first ring, then make a chain, chain, and do not forget to make a joint picot here between chains. Then you need to make a ring, then another one, and then make a chain, then make a joint picot with 2 picots at the same time, then again chain, ring, chain, and so on. The only moment I want to show you how to make a smooth transition from ring to chain here. So when you made a ring here and when you made a knot here after finishing the ring, make this move. Just pull the needle through this ring and make sure the thread is under the needle, and then pull the thread and make sure this stitch is in the center of the ring. Okay, and after that, just make a chain. I'm gonna make a few stitches only, and I will show you the transition. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 stitches for now, and the transition is really smooth. Okay, I'm gonna finish the row, hide the ends, and iron the doily. And as a bonus video, I'm going to show you how to attach this doily to a wooden hoop. So I'll be right back. And now we can attach our doily to the wooden hoop. So I use these clips and just fix the corners all around the doily. Okay, almost done. Okay, now our lace is fixed. So let's start from this point. I have a plastic needle. You can use any you have. So just pull the thread and make a knot here. Okay. Now you can remove the clip and fix the rest of the doily. See this stitch? Okay. And see as this thread is behind the needle. So you can just make few stitches here. And hold this point. And again. The thread should be behind the needle. And now what to do if you need more thread. So I just like to fix this end. And now you can hide this end under the same clip. Okay. And I'm gonna remove that and continue working. Okay, 1 and 2. Fix this end. Take this off. And just make a knot between two ends. 1 and the second one. And now you can remove the clip. Okay, once they are together, you can use your crochet hook and just hide those ends under the thread here. And now you can continue attaching this doily. So here's my doily, and I want to put it here, so I will have a nice display of my doilies. Yep, I'm happy with that. And finally, we have our beautiful doilies, and you can be proud of yourself. Thank you so much for watching, for accepting this challenge, for being with me, for your likes, comments, and support. That's meant a lot. And as I told at the beginning, that's just an experiment. And as for me, I really like it. And I want to make more just because of your reaction. And again, thank you so much. Have a great time tatting and see you in my next series. Bye!